Welcome to day 4 of our object-oriented programming course. Today we will dive into the essential concepts of constructors and destructors. We will understand what they are, how they work, and why they are crucial in object-oriented design. Let's start with constructors and destructors. A constructor is a special function that is automatically invoked when an object is created. It's used to initialize the object's attributes or allocate resources. On the other hand, destructors are functions that are automatically called when an object is destroyed. Their primary role is to release any resources the object has acquired, such as closing files or freeing memory. Let's explore the different types of constructors. First up is the default constructor. This constructor does not take any arguments and initializes an object with default values. For example, if we have a car class, a default constructor might initialize the car's brand to unknown and year to 2020. Next, we have the parameterized constructor. Unlike the default constructor, this one accepts parameters to initialize the object with specific values. For example, you might create a car object with a specific brand and year, like Toyota and 2023. By passing these values as arguments when creating the object. Now let's talk about the copy constructor. This constructor is used to create a new object as a copy of an existing one. It's particularly useful when you need to pass or return objects by value, ensuring that the new object is a duplicate of the original one without just copying the pointer to the original one. Destructors are the counterpart to constructors. They are called when an object is about to go out of scope or when it's explicitly deleted. Their purpose is to clean up the resources that the object may have acquired during its lifetime. In C++, destructors are defined using the class name preceded by tilde symbol. Constructors are used when an object is created either as a local variable or when it's dynamically allocated. Destructors are used when an object is destroyed either when it goes out of scope or when it's explicitly deleted by the programmer. These functions ensure that objects are properly initialized and cleaned up. Now let's put our knowledge into practice. For today's exercise, create a class named book with 3 attributes: title, author, and price. Implement a parameterized constructor to initialize these attributes. And don't forget to include a destructor that displays a message when the book object is destroyed. Let's now look at the benefits of using constructors and destructors. Constructors ensure that objects are initialized with valid values, and destructors help manage resources, preventing memory leaks. Together, they make your code more reliable, clean, and efficient. To summarize, constructors are essential for initializing objects when they are created, and destructors help with the resource cleanup when objects are destroyed. These concepts are foundational to object-oriented programming and are vital for writing well-structured, memory-efficient code. That wraps up today's lecture on constructors and destructors. Be sure to practice creating and using constructors and destructors in your own projects to get a deeper understanding. Keep learning, and I will see you tomorrow for more OOP concepts.